Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are highly and most welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a great remedy, a great drink that would actually make you look younger, look beautiful even without makeup. And this drink, it is actually better you drink it in an empty stomach even without eating anything. That's the way it's gonna work. Yeah, this is very effective. It tastes great, it feels great, it looks good, and all of the ingredients, I make sure that they are actually not difficult and they are so unique. So let me take you right into this video. Yeah, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe. So let's go. As for a very young and a very polished, glowing, ageless skin, we're gonna be needing some banana. Okay, so here we have some bananas, and what we're going to do is that we're gonna be we're gonna be peeling the banana, and we're gonna grab a blender. So you can take as much banana as you want. Yeah, for this. Would have to blend it. So after blending it, I'll turn it into this bowl. And here we go. Okay, so we're actually gonna be keeping that aside. Then we're going to be needing carrots. Yeah, so we're gonna be peeling our carrots. And then we're going to chop the carrots. Okay, we're going to be transferring the carrots into our small blender. Put in just a little water. And then we blend it. What we're going to do is that we're going to be sieving out the carrot juice. So we're gonna be needing coconut milk. Coconut milk is actually very important. Yeah, it helps to boost your skin. and your body. It makes you look really beautiful from the inside out. Alright guys, so gonna be putting in water, and then we'll have to blend because we need the coconut milk very well. Okay guys, so now we're gonna be straining this out. So we're going to be pressing out the milk. The milk is actually very important because it helps to glow your skin really well. So this is the coconut milk, and we're going to be keeping that into this glass. We're equally going to be needing watermelon. Okay, so I'm actually going to be taking watermelon, and then you're going to make sure to blend the watermelon plus the seed and plus this white part. Okay, okay, enjoy it, big. I'm equally gonna be sieving this out. Okay, so this is the watermelon juice, and we have one more fruit remaining, which is berry. So we're going to be taking some berry. And then we're going to be adding just a little bit of water. Then we're equally going to blend it. So we're going to be sieving out the berry juice. So these are the 5 fruits. This is berry, watermelon, banana, coconut milk, and okay, so we're gonna be pouring them into the cup. Okay, so we're going to stir. And this is really amazing. I can't just wait to have a taste of this. This is amazing. So drink this early in the morning for a super glowing, smooth, younger, and a beautiful, clear skin. This is going to help you glow. This is going to make your skin look super duper young. So that's it, guys. The drink is so delicious. It feels like it looks good in the eyes, it tastes great in the mouth, and it does a whole lot of stuff on your skin. Your skin is gonna be glowing, it's gonna be beautiful, it's gonna radiate, and it's going to get brighter. You're gonna look even younger than your age. Yeah, so that's it. If you do find this video interesting, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and share.